Boys Like Girls for the very first time tonight. Well, welcome back, old friends, and hello, new ones. It's good to have you all here, for real. I wrote this song when I was 18 years old, sprawled across the living room floor of me, John and Brian's converted attic apartment where John slept on the kitchen floor. And when we met Paul 2 years ago, it was the first song we put together as Boys Like Girls. It's a really important song to us, so we named the tour after it. Let me see every single glow stick, lighter, cell phone, camera up in the air right now. Wave them back and forth, okay?